If you are looking to get more followers on your profile or to get more profile visits, people who can visit your profile, to follow you, to send you a DM, check out your post to be able to engage with them.
Stay till the end.
If you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. For those who have problem in paying for Instagram ads, probably in Nigeria, or you have a debt hanging on in your Instagram account, watch this video to the end and I am going to solve this problem for you.
Now, you have to understand that for you to be able to run ads on Instagram successfully, you should have set up your payment method. Now, at the end of this video, I am going to be linking you up to a particular guide on how you can be able to set up your Instagram payment method and the correct card for you to be able to use if your card has been getting declined recently or for a long time. Now, what is the next thing we want to do? Of course, I'm in my Instagram app and my profile is already converted to a business profile, that is a creator or business profile for you to be able to run your ads. So without further ado, I'm just going to click on this place you see on the screen right now. I'm just going to click on this place, clicking. Okay, so once I click on that place, once I click on it, you're actually going to see my dummy profile as a form of, example in this video. Okay, this is not my actual profile, but I am just using this as a dummy profile. So let's say, for instance, this is your Instagram profile. You have been able to, make some post on your Instagram profile and you actually want to boost your Instagram ads. Do you understand? Then let's say, for instance, the first post which I have on my profile here is the one I want to click on boost post for. Do you understand? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on boost post. Okay, so once I click on boost post, remember the reason why we are creating these ads is we want to get more followers, more visitors visiting our profile page who can decide to either follow us, buy from us, check out our products, or even send us a DM. I'm going to click on more profile visits and I'm just going to click on next. So once I click on next, you're going to see something like select target audience. Instagram target people like your followers. You're going to see something like automatic. If you want to target people who are like your followers, okay, your existing follower, let's say for instance you have a genuine follower, being able to build your profile through organic stuff, people finding your business and following you, and these people are targeted, you could use automatic targeting, but you can see create your own. So I'm just going to click on that right now, and once I click on that, you are going to give your audience a name. So let me just say audience 1, okay, as an example. And then the location, I'm going to click on location right here. And once you click on location, now you are going to see two types of location. You're going to see something like regional and local. This region, you can decide to target country, you can target the state. Do you understand? Wherever you are watching this video from, whatever country or state you want to target, you are going to input it in this place and search for it. Do you understand? And you are actually going to get you're actually going to get the suggestion of the country where you are going to select it, where you are going to select it. And for this local targeting, you're going to see that this local targeting works in a way Instagram will target your current location. Okay, Instagram will target your current location. Let's say for instance, based on the location of your device. Let's say for instance, you are in United States, New York, and in a particular street around that side. Do you understand? And in a particular street, then if the location of your phone is being on, Instagram is actually going to craft out people who are around your surroundings. So if you're in Lagos, Ikeja, and you are in Allen Avenue, okay, Instagram is going to get you these people that are very closer to you. So you can harness this if you have a product that you quickly want to deliver to people, or you have a physical shop. You have a physical shop that you want people to be able to locate you and come to you. You can use this local target. So for this, I'm just going to click on regional. I'm going to click on regional and I'm going to search for Nigeria. Okay, I'm going to search for Nigeria and click on Nigeria country, and I might even add, let me just add United States. Okay, United States. United States, and I'm going to select it and I'm going to click on this check mark button you see here. Okay, I'm going to click on this check mark button you see here. Okay, that is it. So let me click on it and that is saved. Now in the interest by which you can see here, I'm going to click on that interest, and once I click on interest, I'm going to click on that box and I'm going to input. Now my own business is about digital marketing, and digital marketing, you are supposed to target small business owners and entrepreneurs. So I'm just going to input entrepreneurship. Okay, you can see entrepreneurship. I'm going to select this, and once I select it, I'm going to select this, and once I select it, I'm going to input. You're going to see some suggested interest here. You're going to see this suggested interest: small business and finance, home business, small and medium enterprises, business small. So I'm just going to, click on the best suggestion that is more related to what I'm doing. Do you understand? So I'm just going to click on small and medium enterprises. Okay, let me check out. I'm going to click on startup company, and that is all I want to choose. Do you understand? I'm just going to click on this check mark button here, and you're going to see me choosing these 3 interests. Now as for the age by which you can see here, I'm going to click on the age, and of course your age plays a very vital role in your Instagram ads. If you go and target children that are of high school, bro, you are going to get people who are not capable to pay for your products. But if your music or your Instagram profile or comedy or whatever is about young, is just about young people, do you understand? So you want to target young people, depends on your audience. You need to get used to the people that used to buy from you a lot. Do you understand? You need to kind of make a research on people who used to buy from you, get their age range, and you'll be able to know your audience better. So for this, I'm just going to take it to, at least I want to choose from people. So for this, I'm just going to extend the age to people who are of at least 27 years of age to 65. Do you understand? And most of my audience are mostly male. Do you understand? But I will leave it in male or female because both gender are in business and leading this kind of service. So I'm just going to click on this check mark button, and my targeting is being set down there. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to click on right now is this check mark button for me to save my audience totally. So once I do that, my audience is getting saved right now. So the next thing I want to do right now is I want to go down and click on next. Okay, I want to click on this next button. You're going to see it right here. Okay, so I'm clicking on this next, and once I click on next, you're actually going to get to the budget section. Okay, budget and duration. Now for the budget, how much do I want to spend daily? It's all determined by me. How much do you want to spend daily? It's all determined by you. Let's say for instance, for my own budget, my own ads account is in naira. So if you are in any country, your own might be in dollar, your own might be in India rupee, your own might be in any currency by which your local country, it might be the currency of your local country or that of dollars. Do you understand? So I'm just going to set it to, at least let me just set it to around 1,806 daily. Do you understand? So you're going to see something like duration. So if you click on run this ad until I pause it, means that you are not setting a time frame for it. So until you go there manually to pause the ad, that's when the ad will stop. And if you set a duration for this, if you click on set duration, which this is the set duration, and this check mark is on it, then you'll be able to set the duration by which your advert is going to run, at least between 1 day and upward, or to 30 days. So I'm just going to click on set duration, and I want to set that duration for this advert for just, let me just set it for 2 days. Do you understand? So once I set it to 2 days, you're going to see your total spend and the estimated reach of your ads. Okay, so and the next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on this next button. So once I click on next, let's wait for the next page to load, and you're going to see something like review your ad. Your estimated reach is 1,000 to 2,800 people. Once your ad starts, you can pause at any time, and you're going to see go more profile visit. Note, these people will visit your profile and they can be able to follow you, send you a DM, check out your profile for more products you have or your post, or decide to just engage with your profile. Of course, if you want to get more followers on Instagram, you need to run ads to your profile. That is the ads objective you want to do as an artist, as a business owner, or whatever you try to promote on Instagram. So you're going to see everything, and you're going to see my payment method listing. If you have not set up your payment method, I'm going to leave you a particular guide on how to do this at the end of this video, so watch it to the end. Do you understand? And you'll be able to set up your payment method and get a particular card that is going to work for your Instagram ads account successfully in Nigeria or anywhere you are. Do you understand now? So that is that, and you're going to see everything, and I'm going to click on boost post. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Once you click on boost post, you're going to see something like nice work, your ad has been sent for review. You're going to see this, your ad has been sent for review. Okay, so you're just going to click on okay. You can go back to your profile here, click here, and go back to you click on professional dashboard. Okay, once you click on professional dashboard, you're going to click on ad tools just to see the advert you've created. And once you click on add tools, you're actually going to go down, and you're going to see this advert you created, which is in review. You're going to see this in review. Do you understand now? So once it's approved, it's going to be approved. Place, you could just click on it to see more insight of how your advert is doing, how your ads is doing, and you're going to see everything, the reach. Okay, and if you want to delete the ad, you can delete it here. So if you want to know how you can be able to pay for Instagram ads successfully, you can check out the link in the description box below. Click on it and you get to the video on how to pay for Instagram ads, or check out the video you can see on the screen right now and click on it. Don't forget, my name is Ayo, and see you on the next video.